So now let's see how we can insert out audio recording inside of Evernote. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the insert menu, and once you go around over here, you can see audio recording is an option. So if you were to go around and click on audio recording, then what happens is that it immediately starts recording the audio right here. And you can hear out all of the audio waves right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and press the stop button, then it stops out the audio recording, and you get the file size right here, and you can press the play button to play out the audio as well. And the format that the audio gets saved in is in WebM format. Let me just go around over here onto the insert section again, and if I were to go to audio recording, then what happens is that it starts recording the audio once more, and you can see that it is recording, and you can see the time right here. So you can go around, press the stop button, and then what happens is that this is the audio recording right here, just like this. So you can see that it is saved right here. And that is how you can insert out audio recordings inside of Evernote. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.